Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by updating your iPhone to iOS 26 before making any changes. Check that your device model supports 3D wallpaper and live photo playback. Free up at least 500 MB of storage so the system can process new wallpaper files. Back up your device using iCloud or a computer to avoid accidental loss. Sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud Photos if you want automatic sync. Restart the iPhone after updating to ensure new wallpaper features initialize properly. Capture or select a live photo or short video containing a foreground subject. Convert a video to live photo with a third-party app if necessary, keeping the length under 3 seconds. Resize and crop the image to match your screen resolution, for example 1170 x 2532 for a 6.1-inch display. Ensure the subject is centered and separated from the background to enhance the 3D effect. Save the final live photo to Photos and mark it as a favorite if you want quick access later. Open Photos, tap the live photo, and choose Use as Wallpaper from the Share menu. In Wallpaper, preview Enable Perspective and make sure Still is not selected. Alternatively, set the live photo in Settings Wallpaper and assign to lock screen or both screens. Disable Reduce Motion under Accessibility to allow the parallax 3D effect to work properly. If the 3D effect does not appear, restart the iPhone and reconvert the source live photo. Free additional storage if processing still fails to complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.